So I'm just pulling this mill apart, and I just want an opinion on whether the bearings are fucked, which I think they are. I've got some flat spots as I turn it. Sounds better when I turn it quickly, but the sound seems to be coming from this I've also got play. I'll try and get steady. Also, it's got play in and out, or up and down if it's in the right orientation, but there's 0 up and down or side to side. It's only up and down the quill line. I'm not sure if that represents that's how much play is in it, up and down, but there's none any other way. But it does have this sort of, I don't know how to explain, flat spots when you turn it slowly. It feeds way easier that way than it does that way. I'm not sure what that would mean. Anyway, if anyone thinks they have an idea of whether the bearings are shot or not. Also wondered if this is a oiling port for inside the quill there. If anyone knows, cheers.